Assalamu alaikum. Today we will read grade 7 ELE lessons. Let's start by logging on to our ELE account. सबसे पहले let's start with English. Week 1, Day 1, the Silk Route. Our today's lesson is about the Silk Route. Let's start by watching the video. It's a 5-minute video which will help us understand कि the Silk Route किस तरह से connected था around the world और किस तरह वो trade करते थे through Silk Route. After watching the video, we will do a speaking activity. Speaking activity में we have to explain the summary of the video in 4 main points. You can rewatch the video and we have to just give 4 main points. 4 main चीज़ें जो आपने वीडियो से सीखी हैं या वीडियो में बताई गई हैं, आपने उनके बारे में बताना है. You can tell it to your classmate, your teacher or anyone at home. Easily आप ये summary देंगे. Then let's start by reading the text about the Silk Route. एक स्टोरी है, हम सिल्क रूट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. It was a cold, chilly evening when I landed at Peking Airport. Okay, किसी की स्टोरी है जो कि एयरपोर्ट पे पहुंचे हैं, तो हम ये रीड करेंगे सारा और हमें पता चलेगा कि what happened next. After reading, we have an other activity. Silk Route, sometimes called the 8th wonder of the world. Do you agree with this statement? Also search and write one fact about any 3 wonders of the world. Total 8 wonders हैं world में और कहते हैं कि Silk Route is the 8th wonder of the world. क्या आप एग्री करते हैं? क्या ये वाकई इतना बड़ा वंडर है वर्ल्ड का? आप अपने एग्री करते हैं तो आप अपने कुछ रीजंस दें, अगर नहीं एग्री करते तो उसके कुछ रीजंस दें. ऑल्सो ईजिली गो टू गूगल एंड सर्च 3 फैक्ट्स अबाउट एनी वंडर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. सबसे पहले आप सर्च करेंगे वंडर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. देन किसी एक वंडर के बारे में कोई एक फैक्ट आप सर्च करेंगे. गुड जॉब, योर डे 1 इंग्लिश फॉर ग्रेड 7 इज डन. Now let's do week 1, day 1 of mathematics. Day 1. Identify and define the language and notion. Grandma went to the supermarket with her friend to buy some household stuff like kitchen essentials for her new home. सबसे पहले हम reading करेंगे. Then हम tabular and descriptive forms of sets के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Let's start by watching a video. ये एक लेक्चर देखेंगे, वीडियो से समझेंगे. It's a 6-minute video. इसके बाद हम अगेन रीडिंग करेंगे, एग्जाम्पल्स पढ़ेंगे, डिस्क्रिप्टिव फॉर्म की एग्जाम्पल्स एंड डेफिनेशन. देन एन एक्टिविटी. एक्टिविटी में वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन. राइट द फॉलोइंग सेट्स इन डिस्क्रिप्टिव फॉर्म. सेट ऑफ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स, set of even numbers, set of first 3 months, set of pen. इन सबको हम लोगों ने डिस्क्रिप्टिव फॉर्म में लिखना है. एंड देन राइट द फॉलोइंग सेट्स इन टेबुलर फॉर्म. फिर इन सेट्स को हमने टेबुलर फॉर्म में लिखना है. एंड आफ्टर दैट आवर डे 1 फॉर मैथमेटिक्स इज कंप्लीट. Now let's do our week 1, day 1 of science. Human organs and organ systems. Human organs and organ systems. Let's start by watching a video. This 1.5 minute video will tell us about cells and the human body. After that, we have some pre-reading questions. What is the building block of our body? Is it a brick, cement or cell? Give its answer. Are there special cells in our body or one type of cell performs all the functions? If you remember back from your lessons in grade 6, you will know the answer to these 2 questions. Discuss or write these questions in your copy. Then let's read the text. Let's think of the human body as a building. We will read this text and understand the organ system. We will look at a picture. These are the things the human body is made up of. And then we will watch a video, the systems of human body. After watching this video, our day 1 of science is complete. Now let's do week 1, day 1 of history. Day 1, the Buddha. Would you leave your family for money, studies or traveling? You probably wouldn't do that, but Gautama did. Let's read about who was Gautama and why did he leave his family. We will start by watching a video. We will watch the 6-minute video and understand the enlightenment of the Buddha. Then we will read the text. The young and wealthy prince left his family to discover the real world. We will look at some pictures. And after that we will do an activity. Choose new words from the text and video. Search meaning of these new words. अच्छा अब आपने टेक्स्ट भी पढ़ लिया और वीडियो भी देख लिया. कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे आपको मिले होंगे जो बिल्कुल यूनिक होंगे और उनका और ज़्यादा एग्जाम्पल्स और मीनिंग समझने को दिल कर रहा होगा आपका. List out those words and search their meanings. Your day 1 of history is complete. Now let's do day 1 of Islamiyat. Day 1, Surah At-Toha, Nazra-e-Quran. First of all, we will do Nazra. Go to Nazra Quran, download para 13 and 14, or you can open day 1, look what you have to do and then go back to para 13. Recite rukus 1, 2 and 3 for para number 13. You can download it so it's easier to open, or you can go back to Holy Quran para 13 right here. Now read the rukus you have to do and then let's go back to Islamiyat. We have done Nazra. Now let's read Surah At-Toha. In Prophet's life there was a period of silence. We'll read when Surah At-Toha was revealed and then we will listen to Surah At-Toha. This will also help us make our surah speaking better. Then read, recite the surah and then let's do an activity. List 3 blessings Allah gave to Prophet, peace be upon him, discussed in the surah. We have read its meaning, we have listened and read it on our own. Now we will write the 3 things Allah had blessed Prophet, peace be upon him with. You can write it in your copy and our day 1 of Islamiyat is done. Now let's do day 1 of civics. Week 1, day 1, citizen and citizenship. Let's start by watching the video. In this video, we will understand about citizens and citizenship. In which country do you live? When a person lives in a country, he becomes its citizen. We will read about citizens. Let's do some reading. We will look at identification cards, passports, and at the end we will do an activity. Answer the following questions. Name 3 categories of citizens in Pakistan. In which category of citizens of Pakistan do you fall? You have to name the 3 categories and tell on which category do you include yourself. Do you know anyone who is a citizen of Pakistan by descent? What is the first thing you will need to travel out of Pakistan? Then we have some homework for day 1. Let's go to the homework. Homework day 1. Draw a smart card. Draw a smart card similar to the one shown below. Fill it with information. In place of identity number, write your B form number. The B form number is actually used in your identity cards as your identity number. First of all, draw a similar smart card. You can add some things on your own as well, and to make it more classified, and you can also put your picture right here. Use a chart paper and then fill it with information. Ask your mother or anyone to give your B form number. The B form number is the number used for your identity card. Good job. Now your week 1, day 1 for grade 7 is complete. For more lessons, contact on this number. Thank you.